Hi, my name's Katy. I'm the new chief instructor for Hamble Point Sailing School, located in Hamble Point MDL Marina, and I'm here today to talk to you about women in sailing. Nowadays, a lot of women are coming into sailing. They're following the steps of famous sailors like Ellen MacArthur, who went around the world by herself. Look at, for example, Hannah Mills. She's currently skippering a Sail GP team. Same goes for Sam Davies, who's competed in over three Vendée Globes. Sailing has become a great sport for women to come into. There's varied disciplines you can start off from, and the Olympics has been a great example with so many women competing this year. You can start off from small little dinghies and work your way all the way to cruising, and then you can go into racing, or even just have your own little boat to poodle about in the Solent, having a really relaxed time with your friends. This was just the leisure side of things. You can also decide to come and work in the industry like I have. I've started from taking my yachtmaster exam, and then I worked as a first mate crossing the Atlantic, and from there on I started skippering my own races, and I've become a race charter skipper. Then I got my instructor qualifications, and today I work for Hamble Point Sailing School as a chief instructor and as a race charter skipper in the winter in the Caribbean, where I just came back from. But sailing also is not just a sport for men, as it's not required to have strength, it's only required to have technique. Once you have the technique, then sailing becomes easy. You can see how attractive sailing is and why more and more women have decided to join this sport. And however you decide to join us, be it by joining your local club or going sailing with friends, you won't regret it, because it's so much fun and you'll have a great time.